Here we have a problem in algebra, that is we have to simplify the given complex fraction. Okay, to simplify the given complex fraction, first I have to simplify the expression we have in numerator. That is I have to do subtraction between the two fractions we have here. Okay, to do subtraction between the two fractions, I have to look at the denominators. So when I look at the denominators, both the denominators are not numbers. The second denominator is contains variable. Okay, both the denominators are numbers. We can find the least common multiple and we can get the common denominator for both the fractions. Since one of the denominators contains variable, what I have to do is I have to do cross multiplication. That is, the numerator of the first fraction has to be multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction, and the numerator of the second fraction has to be multiplied by denominator of the first fraction. Finally, we have to multiply the two denominators. So this is a method of cross multiplication. Okay, now let me do it. Now let me multiply this m by this m square. Then I'm getting m to the third power negative. When I multiply this 4 by 2, I'm getting 8 over. When I multiply the two denominators, I'm getting 2 times m square over m negative 2 over 2m square. Okay, in my next step, I'm writing the fraction in numerator as it is. It is m to the third power negative 8 over 2 times m square. I'm going to change this division as multiplication. When I change this division over here as multiplication, I have to get reciprocal for the fraction in denominator. Okay, here when I take reciprocal for this fraction, I'm getting 2 times m square over m negative 2. So this 2m square will cancel. I'll just get 1 over here, 1 over here. Okay, now to multiply the two fractions over here, I have to multiply the two numerators. When I do so, I'm getting m to the third power negative 8 over. So when I multiply this 1 and m negative 2, I'm just getting m negative 2. Okay, in my next step, what I'm going to do is m to the third power negative. This 8 can be written as 2 to the third power, because we know that the evaluation of 2 cube is just 8 divided by m negative 2. Okay, now to factor the expression we have over here, m cube negative 2 cube, I'm going to use the algebraic identity, that is a cube negative b cube equals to a negative b times a square positive ab positive b square. Okay, here this m cube negative 2 cube is exactly in the form of a cube negative b cube. At the place of a we have m, at the place of b we have 2. So on the right side, wherever I find a, I have to write m, and wherever I find b, at the place of b, I have to write 2. So we can write the factor form of this expression using the stuff what we have over here. So replace a by m and b by 2, then I'm getting m negative 2. So for this a negative b, I'm writing m negative 2 times a square means m square positive ab, that is m times, for b we have to write 2 positive, for b square we have to write 2 square divided by m negative 2. So this m negative 2 will cancel out. I'm getting m square positive, m times 2 can be written as 2m positive. The value of 2 square is 4. So this is a simplification of the given complex fraction.